I am Dr. D.K. Sharma. I am Campus Director of Indraprastha Engineering College, Ghaziabad. I am pleased to share that today we are going to conduct convocation for the graduates and postgraduate students in the college. Professor J.P. Pandeyji, Honorable Vice Chancellor, will grace the occasion along with the guest of honor, Mr. Anup Kumar Rai, Executive Director, CRL, BEL, Ghaziabad. 51 students will get their degrees and 66 students are there who will get the medals, awards and cash prizes. I wish all these graduates for their future endeavors.
नमस्कार, इंद्रप्रस्थ इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में आज आप सभी मीडिया प्रतिनिधियों का हार्दिक स्वागत है। हमें यह बताते हुए अत्यंत हर्ष हो रहा है कि आज 17 अप्रैल 2026 को यहाँ दीक्षांत समारोह आयोजित किया जा रहा है इंद्रप्रस्थ इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज के परिसर में, जिसमें लगभग 451 विद्यार्थियों को विभिन्न पाठ्यक्रमों की उपाधियाँ प्रदान की जाएंगी तथा मेधावी छात्रों को स्वर्ण पदक एवं सम्मान से नवाजा जाएगा। इस अवसर पर माननीय मुख्य अतिथि संस्थान के वरिष्ठ पदाधिकारी विद्यार्थियों को संबोधित करेंगे। हमारा संकल्प विचार, शैक्षणिक गुणवत्ता, उत्कृष्टता, उद्योग सहयोग, अनुपालन एवं उत्कृष्ट प्लेसमेंट के लिए प्रतिबद्ध रहा है और हमारे विद्यार्थी देश विदेश में अपनी पहचान बना रहे हैं।
Hello everyone, my name is Vandana Singh and I have completed my BTech from Indraprastha Engineering College in CSE department. I have been very grateful to all the mentors and the teachers who have supported me in this journey, including Ina ma'am, Vandana ma'am and Uma ma'am. I want to thank everyone and the college and the faculties for this beautiful journey. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, I am Abhishek Sharma. I am from CSC department and I have graduated from Indraprastha Engineering College. My experience is very good as the teachers are very friendly and I am able to do my engineering with the optimistic approach as ups and downs come. But I am able to make various friends so that they can help me in every aspect of my life. So now, all the best. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Divyanshi Sharma. I am from Indraprastha Engineering College, Ghaziabad from IT branch. Today is my convocation day and I would like to thank all my faculties, especially Ragini and Swati ma'am. For over these 4 years, I have grown both professionally and personally, and it was such a emotional moment for me and I am very proud of myself to being a part of that college.
So, hi, myself Siddhi Jain from CSC branch, 2025 pass out. So, my experience at IPAC was really great. So, I got hired from Paytm also. So, I'm very grateful for IPAC for getting me placed in Paytm. So, overall, I had so much fun. I have gained so many knowledge and everything. So, thank you, IPAC, for giving me everything. Thank you.
So hello everyone, my name is Keshav Gupta and I did my BTech from Indraprastha Engineering College in branch Computer Science and Engineering Data Science. So my experience with IPAC was much more of a roller coaster ride. So it was full of ups and downs and I had ups in studies and in cultural activities. If I had to thank any one teacher, I would thank Shalini ma'am also because she supported me in various cultural activities and in academic too. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Simran Yadav. I'm from Computer Science and Engineering Department and from IPAC I am placed in KPMG India. So about my experience in IPAC, it's really amazing and I have got a good friends and a lifetime experience. Thank you.
Hello, Yukti this side from CSE AIML. My 4-year journey was fabulous. All the mentors and all the faculty was so supportive and everything. And I scored good marks and everything was because of my mentors and my hard work. Thank you so much for making this happen and in organizing this convocation for us. Thank you for the opportunity.
Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Meenakshi Sharma. I'm working at Indraprastha Engineering College since last 26 years and currently I'm working as Dean Student Welfare and IQAC. Today we have the second convocation ceremony being held at our campus Indraprastha Engineering College, and we are super excited to meet our students after a gap of 1 year. This is the convocation ceremony that is being held for the batch 2025, and we are honored by the presence of our honorable chief guest, who is Honorable Vice Chancellor, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Technical University, Professor Dr. JP Pandeyji. The guest of honor for today is Sri Anup Kumar Rai from Bharat Electronic Limited. And the degree recipients were very happy. The degrees were received by the students from BTech CSC, Data Science, AIML, IT, and Electronics and Communication. And even medals were given to the students and cash prize along with certificates for the merit holders. And towards the end, I would like to address my graduates that this is the beginning of their life. This is the first step towards their professional life. Our best wishes would always be there with them. We would always wish them the best for their future endeavors.